got him. Fish on.
What's up everybody, Fish Hulk here. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video I'm doing some native brook trout fishing. I'm on a tiny mountain stream. It is a gorgeous day, high of about 75 degrees, sunny skies. The creek is looking really good, has a nice flow to it. Hopefully I can get some in the net. Stay tuned. Today I have my Cabela's Bighorn 7-foot 6-inch 3-weight fly rod. And down on this end I have a small dry fly. I'm not sure the name of it, but that's what we're starting out with.
I got a fish. Yes, sir.
First fish of the day, gorgeous native brook trout. First fish in the net, my dry fly actually went under the water. The current pulled it under and that fish took it underwater, which was pretty cool. I didn't even know I had a fish on.
Fish on.
Second brookie of the day. What a beauty. Second fish of the day on the dry. Actually took it off the top. That was pretty cool. Let's keep it going.
Oh, got him.
Third fish of the day. Look at his tail.
Got him.
Brookie number 4. Look at those colors, guys. Holy moly.
guys care if I...
Dude, absolutely.
Got him. This is a nice one. Whew, almost didn't get him in the net.
Probably the biggest of the day. Look at that thing.
Got him. Oh, he popped off. Fish on.
Back on them. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Had a great day of trout fishing, caught some gorgeous native brook trout all on the dry fly. I also missed a couple, but it was a great day. We had really good weather and this creek is incredible. So pretty, in the middle of nowhere, peaceful, just can't beat it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fish Hulk out.